And welcome back to another video, another episode of Coffee and Stocks. In today's video, we are going to talk about another stock in the health sector. But before we get started, can I please ask you guys to drop a like on this video as well as press that amazing subscribe button? It does go a long way in supporting the channel, and I do thank every single one of you guys. Obviously, duh. So let's get started, shall we? We are talking about Sngx Inc. common stock under the ticker symbol of Sngx. If you guys haven't heard about it, well, maybe you should. It is pretty interesting what they are doing. But obviously before that, it's currently going for $2.14. Right here after market close on Friday, it was at 260. So maybe tomorrow when the market does open, it does go up a little bit higher. Now I will say, disclaimer, I don't currently own any of this stock quite yet. I haven't done much research on this company yet, so that's why I don't own any of the stocks. Obviously, you should always do your own homework, consult your financial advisor, go talk to your financial advisor, go do that thing with your financial advisor. I don't care. Obviously, this is for entertainment purposes only, and only letting you guys know about this stock because it is kind of interesting. We're not gonna go too deep into who they are, what they do, or etc. etc. I am focused on one a drug that they are talking about, so definitely pay attention to that. A month ago it was going for $1.43, and 6 months ago it was going for $2.74. Yes, it's a little bit higher. Don't forget, when they are in the financial well, not really financial, but in the health sector, and they fail the FDA or they don't get approved by the FDA, their stock drops dramatically. So that's what happened right here. So definitely be careful when investing in companies like this, because it can definitely hurt if they don't get approved by the FDA, which there is a drug that they currently have that is about to hit that little area to get approved by the FDA and soon to be in the market. We are talking about Sngx 301 for cutaneous T-cell lymphoma, or CTCL. We are gonna talk a little bit more about what it is that they do. Obviously, they do have the other one, which is oral mucositis, whatever. That there are a little bit closer as well to get approved by the FDA, but this is the one that I do want to talk about right here, right? The treatment for early stage CTCL lesions is complicated given to the side effects of many commonly used approaches. The majority of the patients with CTCL have early stage diseases. Obviously, they do focus on the skin diseases, so definitely, obviously, this is what they do, right? With careful disease management, may never progress to later stages of disease. Obviously, they're including if they use this before, then the disease doesn't grow any further. Approximately 20,000 patients in the US are believed to have this chronic disease, with similar prevalence in Europe and significance inside of Asia as well. CTCL is caused by the migration of malignant T cells to the surface of the skin. That's how they get the cutaneous T-cell lymphoma, and they're trying to prevent any more progression of that disease. Current treatments, they are no current treatments. That's why they are the ones that are trying to focus on that. I mean, I would say no FDA approved, right? So they are at that line, as you guys can see right here, super close to getting that FDA approval. Hopefully they do, and then their stock is just gonna extremely explode to the upside, and get a lot of gains from that. Every potential treatment is either used off-label or is supposed to be used when other treatments fail. So if they get approved by the FDA, they're gonna get tons and tons of orders of this treatment. Now, with that being said, it is not a cure for that disease. It's just a treatment, so definitely pay attention to that. There's different areas. This is the PowerPoint presentation of Sngx. So what the company description is right here. It's a late-stage biopharmaceutical company focused on developing and commercializing products to treat rare diseases where there is unmet medical needs. 2 areas of focus, as you guys can see right here: a specialized biotherapeutic segment dedicated to the development of products for orphan diseases, and area of unmet medical needs in oncology and inflammation. Number 2 is a public health solutions segment that develops vaccine and therapeutics for military and civilian applications in the area of rising exposure, emerging and antibiotic resistant infectious disease, and viral disease, including Ebola, Marburg, and COVID-19. So that is pretty interesting what they do. Obviously, I am only focusing on the CTCL because that's the one that is closer to getting the FDA approval, and I just want to tell you guys about that. Obviously, if you guys are here for the short term and you guys just want to invest in it just for a little bit and get gains and then pull out, definitely this is one of the greatest opportunities. Obviously, I'm not a financial advisor, so please do not take my words as advice. Once again, go consult your financial advisor. It's one of the major things that they are talking about is huge. They are at that borderline to get this to get approved. All the track record that they have has been in the positive side, so that's definitely good for them. There is something in the lower side over here talking about their money. Where is it? Can't find it. Anyways, they do have quite a bit of cash at hand in order to be used, so that is definitely good. They're not really in any kind of debt, which is also good. That is something very, very positive to see in a company, that they don't have any debt and they have a lot of cash at hand in order to use, which then leads investors to be more comfortable in investing in their company. As you can see right here, a strong balance sheet with cash runaway into 2022, recent strategic investment by Pontifax, collaborations with other companies as well, experienced management team and renowned advisors with record of success. There is quite a bit of positive things backing all of them up, which is really good, because that's the kind of stuff that you want to see when investing in a company like this. Don't forget that there is a positive and a negative side into companies like this, because even though their drug is super close to phase 3 and getting that FDA approval, it doesn't mean they will get the FDA approval. So definitely be careful when investing in a company like this, because you could submit and you could, enter into a position which has a lot of money, has a lot of shares and all that stuff, which is good, but you're banking everything on this. And if it goes negative and it goes south really fast, then it could really hurt your pocket. So definitely be careful when investing in this company. Obviously, do your own research before investing in the company, and if you like it, go ahead and invest. Don't put all your money into it, obviously, because it could definitely hurt you in the long run if you do that kind of investing, obviously, right? What do I think? I think that I'm gonna do a little bit more research before investing in a company like this. I know they have quite a bit of other drugs in line to finish phase 3 and get into the FDA approval area, but I do want to see if I like a little bit more of them right before investing, because just in case. Anyways, that was today's video. Hopefully you guys liked it. Don't forget to drop a like on this video, as well as press that amazing subscribe button. It does go a long way in supporting the channel. I do thank every single one of the 2,240 subscribers that I do have. Don't forget, I will be doing some dividend giveaways on Friday, so definitely keep commenting down below how many shares you have of this stock, if you wanted to get into it, or if you don't, or if you want me to talk about another stock later on. And I will see you guys next time on Coffee and Stocks.